In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom org charts with Confluence. We'll start right inside Confluence and use the editor with the draw.io integration to build a clear, professional org chart you can easily share with your team. First, open your Confluence site and sign in. Head to the space where this org chart should live. Spaces are simply collections of pages for a team, project, or department, so choose the one that best fits where the chart will be referenced most often. Open the page where you want the chart to appear. If it's a planning page, a team overview, or a leadership hub, placing the chart there keeps it close to related documentation. Click Edit to enter the page editor. With the cursor placed where you want the chart, press the / key. That opens the quick insert menu, which is the fastest way to add macros and integrations in Confluence. Start typing draw.io. Depending on your setup, it may also appear as diagrams.net. If you don't see it, your admin might need to enable the integration, but in most workspaces it's already available. Click draw.io diagram to insert it. Confluence will open the diagram picker so you can choose how to start. In the picker, select the charts category. This groups templates that are built for visual hierarchies. You can pick a ready-made org chart template to accelerate your workflow, or choose to create it manually if you prefer full control from a blank canvas. Templates are great when you know your structure follows a typical hierarchy. Manual mode is helpful when you expect custom branches or non-standard roles. Once you've decided, click Create to open the editor. Now tailor the diagram to your needs. Double-click text to rename boxes with real team member names and titles, adjust levels to reflect reporting lines, and drag connectors to add or remove relationships. Use the formatting panel to change colors, fonts, and sizes so the chart matches your brand and remains readable. Keep manager nodes slightly larger to emphasize structure, and align shapes with the grid to maintain a clean layout. If your team changes often, consider keeping role titles prominent and individual names secondary for easier updates. When everything looks right, confirm the diagram so it's embedded on the page, then click Publish to save your Confluence page. Your org chart is now live, versioned with the page, and ready for your team to view, comment on, and update as your organization evolves. Keep this page bookmarked so it becomes your single source of truth for team structure.